Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I invite you to join me in one of my best walks on this earth, an evening stroll along Ipanema beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is simply one of the most beautiful places you can visit. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and click like and leave a comment below. As the sun sets, it lights up the sky and beach in hues of orange and pink, creating a postcard-like scene. I cannot help but take in the amazing views at each step I take. The sound of the waves, birds, and locals playing along the shoreline gives it an atmosphere like no other. But this view isn't just visual, you get a taste of the mix of energy from local people out and about. The streets are filled with locals who love this place as much as I do, and the tourism and nightlife for millennials, families, and young and old locals alike makes it all the more amazing. I take my shoes off and feel the warm sand and salty water like a warm hug. As dusk approaches, the locals appear to have withdrawn off the beach, leaving me to take in the views of the calm sea, the mountains, and beyond. As the sun dips behind the mountains, the silhouette of the city reveals itself, portraying a captivating image of the magnificent Rio de Janeiro. I hope this gave you a glimpse of this stunning place, and now it's your turn to experience it with us. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this ones. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click like and write a comment below. We'll be sure to appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.